Hi everybody, my name is Matt Horn. I'm the Pitmaster and chef of Horn Barbecue. Today I'm a part of the Smokehouse tour with Masterbuilt in Kingsford. We're gonna be cooking a grilled lamb chop sandwich with a roasted garlic and rosemary sauce. We're gonna start by seasoning this with just a little bit of salt and pepper. We have our lamb chops here. They already have a little bit of olive oil on them, a little bit of pepper. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding our Horn Barbecue all-purpose rub. So we'll get both sides of this, get them flipped over. So we have them flipped over now. We're gonna do some more salt and pepper, get the other side seasoned up. A little bit of our all-purpose rub here. So we have this seasoned, it's all nice and diced and ready to go. We already have our grill here already preheated to 400 degrees using our Kingsford Charcoal. Now that we have our lamb chops seasoned up here, we're gonna take them over to our grill and we'll get them put on. What we're looking for is a nice sear on this. We're going for an internal temperature of about 135 degrees. Once we do that, we'll take them off, we'll get them cut off the bone. So we're gonna be making our roasted garlic and rosemary sauce. So right now we have half a cup of mayonnaise here. We have some of our rosemary. We have our roasted garlic that we roasted inside of our Masterbuilt grill. So we'll get this going. Add that in there. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then half a lemon. And it's pretty simple there. That's how we make our roasted garlic and rosemary sauce. Okay, our lamb chops have been on here for about 6 minutes now. We're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna give it a little flip. Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna probably let this go for a few more minutes or so to get a nice sear on it. I got a little bit of butter here. I have a little bit of the extra rosemary. And what we're gonna do is just brush a little bit of that on there, just like that. All right, our grilled lamb chops have been on here for about 8 minutes now. We're gonna check out the color. We're gonna give it a little bit of a flip. Oh man, that smells delicious. Look at that. I've gotten the color that I want on these lamb chops now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull them off and let these rest. We pulled the lamb chops off the grill. We're gonna let them rest right now. We've achieved the color that we want for it. Once they're rested, we'll get them cut up and we'll start assembling our sandwich. So we have our lamb chops here. They've already been grilled. We've taken them off of our Masterbuilt griller. We have them here. They've already been rested. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna slice them up. We have our rested lamb chop here. I've cutting it off the bone just so it'll be easier to put on the sandwich. We have our brioche buns here that we put on our Masterbuilt grill just to kind of toast them up. And we have our roasted garlic and rosemary sauce that we're gonna coat. So let's add that on here. So we're gonna put on our lamb, start building this sandwich up. Put a little bit of our arugula, just a little more sauce here. There you have it, our grilled lamb chop sandwich with our roasted garlic and rosemary sauce. You guys enjoy.